In today's video, I'll show you how to edit DNS records in Cloudflare so you can update your domain settings and keep your website or online services connected correctly. If you're new to DNS records, they control where your domain points and how different services like websites and emails work. Editing them allows you to make changes without removing the entire setup. First, sign into your Cloudflare account and open the dashboard. Select the domain where you want to modify the DNS settings. Next, go to the DNS section from the navigation menu. Here you'll see all the existing records connected to your domain. Find the DNS record you want to change. This could be an A record, CNAME record, MX record, or another type depending on your setup. Before making changes, check the current information carefully. A small mistake in DNS settings can affect your website or connected services. Now click the Edit option next to the record you want to update. Modify the required fields, such as the destination address, name, or other available settings. If you are updating a website connection, make sure the new value matches the information provided by your hosting provider or service. You can also adjust the proxy status if needed. Cloudflare allows you to choose whether traffic goes through its network or only uses Cloudflare for DNS management. After making your changes, save the record and wait for Cloudflare to apply the update. Once the changes are active, test your website or service to confirm everything is working correctly. Always keep a note of your previous DNS settings before editing important records. This makes it easier to restore them if something goes wrong. And that's how you edit DNS records in Cloudflare. Share this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.